Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So I enjoyed your video. Home decoration ideas. Friends, welcome to the home decoration ideas. In this video we will talk about simple, friendly and creative way to decorate your home. Home is a place where we relax, enjoy and spend time with family, and little decoration can make your home look more fresh, warm and beautiful. Let's begin with some easy ideas. First, as plants. Indoor plants brings nature, beauty and fresh air inside the house. You can place small pot plants on tables, shelves or windows. Hanging plants also look very fresh, stylish. Second, try wall art. You don't need expensive painting. You can make our own art with fabric, gallery walls. You can make your own art with fabric, photos, or even try flowers in frame. Gallery walls with family photo also look amazing. Third, use lighting, soft warm lights, fairy lights or table lamps can make your home look cozy and welcome. A beautiful lamp in their corner and completely change the mood of the room. Let's talk about another area is joy crafts. You can make simple crafts like paint jar, bottle decoration or handmade candles holder. This little touch add a personal charm to your home. Don't forget mirror. A mirror not only look elegant but also make your space look bigger and bright. Place a big mirror in the living room or hallway for a stylish effects. For the kitchen, you can organize with baskets and jar. Use label for a neat look. A small herb garden on the kitchen window also look lovely. In the bedroom, soft colored cozy blankets and few candles can create a peaceful and relaxing space. You can also use fairy lights around the bed for a dreamy look. Finally, always keep your home clean and clutter free. Sometimes the best to decorate is simply organize and tidy space.